this video, I want to talk about how you can refund on Temu. Now, to do a refund on Temu, what you need to do is you need to head over to your orders. So you can do this on your PC or on your phone. Simply go to your profile and select your orders. Then once you're in here, what you need to do is you need to find the order you want to refund, click on it, and there will be a button called refund/return. What you want to do is simply select this one, and from in there it will show you the steps on how you can refund it. So there are some requirements before you can do it, and you just want to read the steps, and then you just want to complete them, and the item will now be under review, and if you're eligible for the refund, you will now be refunded. Now the refund can be in either Temu credits, and sometimes they will also just put it back on whatever payment method you used to pay. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.